Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to delete a friend or remove a friend in Stumble Guys. Deleting or removing a friend in Stumble Guys is a straightforward process. Simply open your Stumble Guys application and make sure that you are in this main homepage. After you are in this page, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab located on the left hand side of the screen. This will then open up your friends list. To delete or remove a friend, simply go ahead and tap on the trash can icon on the right corner of your friend's name. Soon after you do that, you can click on the confirm button to remove the person from your friend list. So that is how you can easily remove a friend or delete a friend from your friend list on Stumble Guys. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.